7 ancient prophecies that could soon come true. They were spoken thousands of years ago by prophets, kings, and messengers of God. Words carved into scrolls, whispered in visions, and recorded in holy texts. Some have already been fulfilled with chilling accuracy. Others are yet to unfold. Today, we look at 7 ancient prophecies that may soon shake our world forever. 1. The rebuilding of the temple in Jerusalem. In the book of Daniel and Revelation, a future temple is foretold, one that will stand in Jerusalem before the end times arrive. For centuries, it has been in ruins, but in recent years, whispers and preparations for its rebuilding have begun. If this happens, it could signal the approach of events foretold nearly 3,000 years ago. 2. Knowledge increasing worldwide. Daniel 12:4 predicts that in the last days, many will run to and fro, and knowledge shall increase. Look around, from artificial intelligence to space travel. Human knowledge is expanding faster than at any other point in history. Could this be the age Daniel foresaw? 3. A one-world government rising. The book of Revelation speaks of a global authority led by a powerful leader, the Antichrist. In our modern world of global trade, digital IDs, and worldwide alliances, the pieces for such a system seem to be falling into place. The prophecy warns this leader will deceive nations before turning against them. 4. Wars and rumors of wars. Jesus himself said in Matthew 24, "You will hear of wars and rumors of wars, but the end is still to come." From tensions in the Middle East to conflicts in Eastern Europe and beyond, the world is on edge. Could these be the birth pains before something greater? 5. The spread of the gospel to all nations. Before the end comes, Matthew 24:14 says, "This gospel of the kingdom will be preached in the whole world as a testimony to all nations." With the internet, satellites, and social media, the message of Christ is reaching places once thought impossible. This prophecy may be closer to fulfillment than ever before. 6. Signs in the heavens. Joel 2:31 foretells, "The sun shall be turned to darkness, and the moon to blood, before the great and terrible day of the Lord comes." Solar eclipses, blood moons, and strange cosmic events are being recorded more often, stirring both awe and fear. 7. The return of Israel's Messiah, perhaps the most anticipated prophecy of all, the return of Jesus Christ. Zechariah 14 and Revelation 19 describe a day when he will come with power and glory, ending wars and restoring peace. But before that day, the world will face its darkest hour. Closing 20 seconds, some dismiss these prophecies as myth. Yet history has proven time and again that what God declares will come to pass. The question is not if, but when. The signs are unfolding before our very eyes. Will you be ready when these ancient words come true?